Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a strawberry spinach salad. This is the perfect type of salad to take to a baby shower, a wedding shower, any type of gathering, or just for yourself. So I'm serving the spinach in our wood salad bowl and server set. It comes with the spoons and the I don't know, what would you call this? It's kind of flat, but these are the servers and they come with your wood salad bowl. So I'm going to show you how it's easy to prep these ingredients. You certainly can do it with a knife, but the rapid prep makes it really easy, especially if you struggle with hand strength holding a knife or if you're making big quantities for a family gathering like a shower. So we're going to use the slice setting. I've got it on about the number 5, it looks like. There's no right or wrong here. It's just what you want. I'm using an English cucumber, and by making the pieces kind of short, it's going to minimize it falling on its side and making them small. So we're making them long. So here we go. I've got all of my cucumbers done. Now, if you want to, with your strawberries, you can use your cup slicer, which is super fun. But since we've already got this out, we're gonna use this for our strawberries. So I'm gonna increase the thickness to the number 8 setting and put your strawberries right in here. It'll slice them all up. So maybe you wanna make like a strawberry shortcake or strawberries to go with an angel food cake, or you just wanna eat them sliced. The trick is not to push real hard on this. Just let the work happen here and it will make really fast slices. How's that? Quick, right? So that's a way you can incorporate your berries into your salad. So do you like berries in salads? It adds such a nice sweetness. I really love it. And I love the ease of this particular recipe because you can make it work for all kinds of occasions. We're gonna make the salad dressing homemade, and I'm gonna show you how I tweak it. This recipe is from my website. However, I make a few changes. First, I don't use 1/3 cup of sugar. I use just a tablespoon of sugar. I've got it in the silicone prep bowl. And instead of lemon, I like to use orange juice because I prefer it in dressings. Lemon bothers my mouth, honestly. And so when it's raw and in a dressing, it does better if I just use these. And I had already peeled these in the fridge. You don't have to peel them to use our citrus press, but mine were peeled already. You can add the zest if you want to, but I'm gonna skip it today. So I'm just gonna add this little orange right to my citrus press. I'm gonna put my hand over it so I don't spray myself in the face. These are super juicy. And I'm gonna add a second one because these are pretty small. So here's just the, the fibers of the mandarin orange. There we go. So if you've got lemon juice in your freezer, like I've showed you, you can go ahead and use that if you want to. Now for the oil, I'm just gonna use avocado oil. You can do vegetable oil if you prefer. I would rather use avocado when I can, and avocado oil is a neutral tasting oil, so it works well in things like this. You could also use olive oil if you want to. If you refrigerate it though, it'll get thick, so you'll just need to let it sit out for a little bit. And then I'm using a white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. This dressing is enough for about double of what I'm making, so I won't need it all today. And we'll just dump that in. Now, if you're making this for a party, you might skip this ingredient, poppy seeds. You know why, right? It gets stuck in your teeth sometimes, and sometimes people feel funny about eating things with poppy seeds when they're in public because they're afraid they're stuck. Have you had that happen? So if you want to skip them, this recipe is fine even without them. I love the nuttiness that is added by poppy seeds, so I'm gonna use them today, and I'm eating it at home, so not a problem, right? So go ahead and give your dressing a stir, and like I said, this is enough for a couple. It calls for red onion. I'm gonna skip that today, just based on preference. Again, if you're making it for a crowd, you might skip it, or if you wanna take away some of the spiciness, one idea is to simply rinse off your sliced red onion, and that will take out a little bit of the bite. So I've just got about half of the dressing here. You're gonna go ahead and toss it. If you are transporting this for a special gathering, Add your dressing right before serving, so it'll keep everything super fresh. And then for presentation, always grab a few of the strawberries that might have wandered to the bottom, and then make sure they are visible on top because, oh, there's the pile, because they're pretty and they add a lot of color. So just put some of those right on top like that. And then I've got some toasted almonds. You can do sliced. I used slivered today. I actually prefer slivered almonds. These are cool now because I think they have a little bit more texture and I just love them. So either one will work just fine. So there you have it, our strawberry spinach salad. It is so fresh and wonderful. Is this something that you would enjoy trying for yourself? If you have a special occasion coming up, definitely consider taking this. And if you know anybody that's getting married, did you know that I offer registries with my Pampered Chef business as well as wedding showers? So hit me up if I can help you with either of those. Enjoy a fresh salad.